Have you ever noticed ads on Google, Facebook, or YouTube and wondered how they work? That's called digital marketing. In this video, I'll explain digital marketing in a very simple way, perfect for beginners. Digital marketing means promoting products or services using the internet. Instead of old-school methods like newspapers or TV, modern businesses use websites, social media, search engines, and emails to reach customers right where they are, online. It's all about connecting with people digitally in a way that is targeted and easily measurable. So, why is this so important? Well, think about it. Today, most people spend a huge amount of their time online. Digital marketing helps businesses reach the right people at the right time with the right message. It's much more cost-effective than traditional advertising. It's incredibly fast. And businesses can easily track important results like views, clicks, and even sales. This means they know exactly what's working and what isn't. There are several main types of digital marketing that you'll come across. First, there's SEO, or search engine optimization, which helps websites show up higher on Google searches. Then you have social media marketing, which promotes brands on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Content marketing is all about creating value through videos, blog posts, and articles to educate and attract an audience. Paid ads like those you see on Google or social media help businesses get instant traffic to their sites. And finally, email marketing is a powerful way to keep customers engaged and updated with newsletters and special offers. So who should learn digital marketing? Honestly, it's useful for almost everyone. Students can gain valuable skills for the future. Business owners can grow their companies, freelancers can offer in-demand services, and job seekers can open up a world of new career opportunities. Basically, anyone who wants to build an online presence or start a rewarding career can benefit from learning digital marketing. This was a simple introduction to the exciting world of digital marketing. If you're ready to dive deeper, in our next videos, we'll break down SEO, social media marketing, and online ads step by step. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell to start your digital marketing journey with us today. Thanks for watching.